Let's talk about the Philadelphia experiment. Are you familiar with this?
No, I'm not.
In 1943, they began doing experiments, psychological and messing with time in Montauk, Long Island. So they started doing this to try to fuck with the Russians, yo. Germany or whatever. Anyway, they had a ship called the USS Eldridge. It was a battleship that could actually go invisible and disappear and reappear in other places.
I did hear about this, yeah.
Yeah, like Norfolk, Virginia. Then poof, go back. Now, witnesses say that it would turn like a bluish green, and then a myriad of symptoms happened to the passengers on board. Like some of them would get sick, some of them would go insane, and others were fused alive into the ship, except for 2 men.
I vaguely heard something about how some of the people never stopped being invisible.
Yeah, that's likely.
Yeah.
I didn't hear about it, but I'm just going to say it's true.
Of course you are.
Al Balik and Duncan Cameron, 2 of the people on board the Eldridge. So they decided to jump off into the water. And instead of landing in the water, they landed in a futuristic hospital in 2137. And it was not manned by people, and they were suffering from extreme radiation poisoning. And they sat there, and there was healing through vibrations and light instead of traditional medicine. And they just watched TV, and they learned stuff about like Florida getting sucked in, but through global warming. Thank you, Greta. Keep up the good work. Water washed away Georgia and Florida.
I think Greta is fighting global warming, not trying to cause more of it.
Whatever. Anyway. The magnetic poles had switched, but humanity built an artificial structure to make sure the poles didn't switch and destroy everything. There was massive world war, including Russia fighting China. The world's population was down to 300 million and 50 million in the U.S. So, yeah, that sounds like an awesome future. Now, Al left his brother in the time they were in, which I believe was 2137. And he travels to the year 2749, and he stays there for 2 years. It's not real clear how he did this, but he did it. Jumped through portal, I guess. I don't know. And in that, Earth was taken over by a sentient AI. It was a socialist society. There was no government except for Trump. Go Trump!
So, oh god damn it, Trump's still around?
Yeah, he's become immortal.
Is he like part cyborg?
Like a fat cyborg. They had to use a lot of gears.
So it's hundreds of years in the future. He's part cyborg, but he's still fat.
Yeah. Yeah. he's got like chicken bones stuck in the gears. Moves a little slow, but anyway, this sentient being would communicate telepathically with everyone, and then heal all the sickness, and everything was fucking awesome. But Al missed his brother, so he went back in time, grabbed his brother, and then they went back to 1943 to tell the tale. Slam dunk, proved it. Time travel's real.
All right. I got one more story, and then I'm going to show you something awesome. So the next thing I want to talk about is the chronovisor. It was invented by a Benedictine monk, Father Pellegrino Arnetti, in the 1950s. It was a TV that allowed you to peer into the past, where he watched Jesus get crucified. He watched some of his miracles, recorded all of it, but then the Vatican took the machine, took all the videos, and they put it into a vault inside the Vatican and hid it away. So they have proof that time travel exists. They have proof of Jesus, and they're hiding it in a vault.
God damn it! If the Vatican would stop taking away things for the people's best interests, we would never do that here on the JTO podcast.
No, we would never do that.
And you know what? I gotta tell you, last week for our Krampus episode, I introduced the alternative to the Gwyneth Paltrow vagina-scented candle. Yeah. It was a can of tuna with a birthday candle in it.
Really disgusting.
It smelled amazing. But it was so popular, we got a flood of emails in asking us where we can get it. Well, we ran out of stock. But I do have a brand new product for you this week, and you can get it on our shop at thejtopodcast.com. You can get the vagina candle.
Jesus Christ.
It is a sardines with mustard and a pink birthday candle.
This is so stupid. Dumbest political joke ever.
So, hey, $900 or we'll call it $35.95. Now you can run out and get the Gwyneth Paltrow candle, which smells amazing, for $75, or you can save a few dollars. Even if you buy 2 of these candles, you're saving money.
Yeah.
$35 each, plus shipping and handling, postage, and a few fees. All major credit cards accepted.
All right, so if you watched our last episode, you definitely should go back and watch that. All
Go
about
back
Krampus.
in time and watch it.
Go back in time and watch Krampus, our Krampus episode. We got a gift from a friend of ours in Area 51. He sent us on the show, you guys saw this, the time travel fluid.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this was the last piece I needed to construct a time machine.
Yeah.
An actual time machine that I'm going to test out here on the show.
I mean, I think it's just vinegar, but...
What? No, it's time travel fluid. See that? Time travel fluid.
All right, yeah, okay, yeah, time travel.
He just snuck it out in
Yeah.
a vinegar bottle.
Of course, yeah, I'm sorry. Of course it is, yeah.
Okay, yeah, so it's a time travel device. I've assembled it. I think I got everything right per his instructions. When I poured the time travel fluid in, the light started going off.
Oh,
Once it turns to a solid color is when you're about to start traveling through time. And you have
wow.
to think of the time you want to go. So I've got the rest of it set up over here so we can actually find out if time travel is real today.
okay.
You ready?